The first thing I did to my kitchen to update it was to add a backsplash. Now, typically, I'm sure that usually the backsplash might be the last thing that people do, but this was the first thing that I did. It kind of catapulted, my inspiration to continue with the cabinets because at first I was a little hesitant. So I purchased these black slate vinyl pill and stick towels. I wanted to kind of match a theme with my faucet there in my refrigerator, even though that refrigerator looks a little gray, it's actually a black color. So I, of course, prepped the wall with some cleaner, and then I just started applying the pill and stick towel. Now there was a little gap in between my wall and that countertop, which I lost a couple towels, which kind of factor in to the fact that at towards the end, I had to kind of hodgepodge some pieces together. The towel was pretty easy to cut once I figured out like using an X-Acto knife or a box cutter was the best way to score it and then break it to get a clean cut. They were pretty easy to put on. You definitely want to make sure you're sticking it firmly to the wall. And it took me, like I said, like 30 to 45 minutes to get this whole thing up. Just finding my center points and then just stacking them into like this brick pattern. Of course, like I said, because this is an older home, 1956 kitchen, and the cabinets may not be fully leveled or the countertop might not be fully leveled. So I did run into some issues with some gapping at one point. So I had to move things around as I was finishing up and just examining the wall and the installation, just making sure the pieces were nicely firm and that I could see pieces where might want to go back and add in some more pieces, add in some trim. And then of course I lost a whole towel over there because it probably wasn't firmly placed in. So stay tuned for more.